Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So today in Let's Talk Creps we are going to be talking about the Airmax 90 Lunar SP, or the Moon Landings as they're referred to. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay, so let's get into this. In the box we have the Lunar 90 SP Moon Landing. SP simply means Special Project. This was released on the 20th of July 2014 and it was to mark the 45th anniversary of Neil Armstrong walking on the moon and the Apollo 11 mission, which obviously happened in 1969. So, box itself, the camera's not picking up, but you do have Nike written on the lid here. It's quite a difficult colour to pick up. But yeah, nice white box. There's the label there. So this shoe is made up of reflective silver, metallic grey, and the air unit is a gold colour. But yeah, nothing too fancy about the box. Nice white box. There's the underneath. But let's get into the shoe, because that's what we're all here to see. So, nice lid that we can just take off. And there's the shoe itself. Now, I have to say, this is one hell of a shoe. It's so eye-catching whenever you see it. I mean, I know these are shot up in value as well. Back when these released in 2014, the sneaker game was a completely different story. Things were not as hard to cop as they are now. Yeah, so you can see that one as well. So, shoe's made up of a 3M sort of material with this moon rock print. Very well known shoe for when you put it under light it glows, which I'll try and sort out for us in a second. But it's also made up of this Lunar sole unit with the speckled grey and black midsole, which is really nice. Really sets this shoe off with the rest of the moon rock print. There's that gold air unit that I was talking about. You can pick that up just about there. Underneath of the shoe is just your classic lunar sole. Got the majority of it's black on this one. Also got on the back tabs the stars and stripes, which again, shoe's very well known for that as well. Let's see if I can get some light on these to really show off that 3M. Oh yeah, it's picking it up good. So yeah, as you can see, really does start to take a different form under light and it starts to really glow. It's a really nice shoe. Even the insole's got the lunar print as well, and sock liner. Not the most plush sort of sock lining. I think I've had other 90s that are a bit more plush, but definitely not scrimping on it. But yeah, anyway, let's get these on foot and get a little B-roll rolling on that, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so that just about wraps up the video today on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what your favourite part is about this shoe, and also how I can improve my channel. I'm always up for listening to constructive feedback, so yeah, put that down below and I'll give it a read. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and until next time, thanks.